Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating and opening Clock app. Following that, tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And to add your alarm, select this plus at the top right one. Then set tap an hour. When you finished, if you wish to use this alarm just once, you can tap on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing. But you can also use it more than once by tapping on repeat and selecting days of the week, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays. To save them, click on OK at the bottom right corner. Then click on Ringtone, and by tapping on Add New at the top, pick music from your smartphone. You can also just tap on one of those melodies, like After the Rain, and go back. Over here, after tapping on Label, you can label your alarm however you wish to, and save it by hitting OK. Then select Snooze, and decide how many minutes your snooze will take. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable vibrations for your alarm. Finally, to save it, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can turn it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, you need to hold it and select Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!